And thank you as the people of South Africa who sacrifice your lives. You've taken time out of your businesses and your busy schedule, and you have come out and taken to the streets. I want you guys to give yourselves a huge round of applause. And we want to salute members of the creative industry who have been with us in this fight, even when some of them decided that they do not want to be seen as defending their own country because their bookings are more important. We want to salute you, Ayanda Ntanzi. We want to salute you, Mabetu Sintinga, Josi, Malusi Mbogazi, Ntokozo Zagwe, TNS, Oscar Mbo, and we want to say that history will remember you as patriots who did not shy away from standing up for your country when the time was needed. We also want to thank all the political parties who have shown support today. Others said that they will not join us in our fight because we are victims. We are hooligans. We do not deserve to be heard when we cry. But we want to thank the following political. And I know some of you, why do you guys as much and much want to associate with certain political parties? Let me explain it very simply. One, sifuna ukuthi senyo vota nani, who is with us and who is against us. So ningalenzi phutha nenza umbhedo ngiyaphinda. Nivotele political parties who have made it clear that they are not with the people of South Africa. Second to that, we align with them because they sit in parliament, Tinaslale Parliament. And if you want to change policies, kumele ufake into ekuthiwa motion. And when you put those motions, they can only come through members of parliament. So that's why to assist us in changing leyo mthetho leyo ekuyiyona esasicindezela even today. So we want to thank Action SA who's been with us, ATM who's been with us, the IFP who've been with us, the MK who are with us, the NFP who has been with us, Operation Tutula who has been with us, Africa Maibuye who has been with us, and we thank some members of the ANC like Panyaza Lesufi. Gitesam. Thank those who have stood with us and have given us a message of support. We want to thank Gakulu, uhulumeni wakaZulu Natali. We want to thank the government, and actually listen to us. The likes of the Premier Taminto, who has sat down, he even had a summit la efuna khona ukuzwa ukuthi yini kahle kahle lesikhala ngayo. Siyabonga kakhulu. Sifuna ukubonga iMeya yeNkosi Langalibalele uKhansela uMnyeza who has been with us from the beginning. Sibonge ne-Deputy Minister yaka Home Affairs, iMinister yaka Home Affairs, uLeon Schreiber, lokhu asiziba from day one. Kodwa ke uDeputy Minister gave us an ear. Siyabonga kuDeputy Minister uNjabulo Nzuza. And sifuna ukubonga kakhulu uGenevieve KZN wamaphoyisa. Siyabonga kakhulu Ndonga. Siyabonga kakhulu Mkhwanazi. Siyabonga nokuthi nje usitreat njengabantu. Ungabo ukuthi uvele waba umuntu ofana nabanye abakuhulumeni abathi nje badedela izinja zisilume. Wena umile eqinisweni, siyabonga Ndonga. Singamshiyi ngaphandle uMajor General Makhoba. Ngifisa ngathi ngabe niyambona lana ngimazana yini. uGeneral Makhoba uyisekela lakhe uGeneral Mkhwanazi, and ngisho singamfonela ngo1 ebusuku, she's always willing ukuthi asize. Bonga kuGeneral Makhoba. Mr. Robert Nechunga wasuka Limpopo wathi ngizodila nalamaZulu ngoba ngiyawazi ukuthi abantu